NASA hid a secret message on the parachute that landed its Perseverance rover down on the surface of Mars. During a news briefing, NASA revealed the first video taken by the Perseverance as it descended to and landed on the Martian surface. Those watching may have noticed the distinct red and white pattern on the interior of the parachute. Alan Chen, the entry, descent, and landing lead for the mission, confirmed in the briefing that there was a hidden message and he dared the public to decode it. Okay, so let us decode this together. Depending on the shape and location of the red and white patterns circling around the parachute center, the segment represents different numbers which can be translated through binary code. We will have to look a little bit about binary numbers. If you know already about it, you may skip this part and move to the next timestamp. We can write any number in binary using just two numbers, 0 and 1. We just have to know one thing, a table. We have to fill these places with 0 or 1. If we write 0 at a place, we will not add that power of 2 to get our answer. But if we write 1 at any place, we will add that power and all the powers where we have written 1 to get our final answer. Let us take an example. If we want to write 173, we will write it like this. We have taken 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 5 and 2 raised to the power 7 because they all had 1 at the blank space. And we have not taken 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 4 and 2 raised to the power 6 because they had 0 at these places. So our final answer becomes 173. Now we are ready to decode the secret message. Okay, so let us start. We will start from the innermost circle. These large orange bands tell us from where to start. Now go clockwise. Okay, so every white strip we encounter is a 0 and every colored strip we encounter is a 1. We will look at 7 segments at once because this is standard length taken to write alphabets. Do this for all of the other circles too and we get the phrase dare mighty things. Dare mighty things. This phrase was given by Theodore Roosevelt, and this motto is used by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory during its mission. The message also included the GPS coordinates for the mission's headquarters at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California. Congratulations, you have decoded the secret message. Thank you for watching.